Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to put a footnote on a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So by the end of this video, you should be able to cite your source down here like we have on this PowerPoint slide.
Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that.
So let's say I've just put a video into one of my PowerPoint slides and I would like to cite where I got this video from. So if I go over here to insert, I can go over to the text group and select text box. And then with my cursor, I can left click and hold the left mouse button down and just draw a long text box. Now in here, I'm just going to type data source with a colon and then a space, and I'm going to put where my video came from. So I'm just going to put www.MyExcelOnline.com.
If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos.
Now this looks a little big and I would like to center it as well. So I'm going to hover over the text box until I get this cross. And then I'm going to click on the text box itself. And I'll know because the cursor right here stopped blinking. And then I'm going to go to Home. And then right here I'm going to change the size of the font to 10 and hit Enter. And then I'm going to go right here and also center my footnote. And then that's it. I now have put a footnote on my Microsoft PowerPoint slide. So we go into this a little bit more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.
If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.